guys. Now, one of the subscribers or my Facebook mates, Graham from England, wants to know, can he put slots in here using the domino rather than just the regular domino sizes? Well, I just happen to have the domino handy with a bit of scrap, and I'll just show you how it can be done. Now, you can obviously measure it and be, very accurate, of course, as far as how long you want the slots, because the slots cut at a certain width. So I'll just now demonstrate a slot. So there's the slot. Yeah, that's the first one. Now I just move along, let's say a bit further. And a bit further. See, Graham, easy as pie. Make it as long as you, or as thin as you want. You can make your own, as you say, make your own tenon to be able to fit into there.